I'm just ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down, she know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money, yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. These designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750, we talk Pacifics. That Rolls Gold compliment.
Alright, so I got the kit out. I'm trying to lay it out from the orientation I want it to be lined up with the roof. Of course, it's my first time doing this, but this ain't rocket science. Now, I'm gonna have one line. This line right here represents this being the very end. End point would be a sprocket that comes down, like a little point that comes down right here. But I want it to hit that one. It's gonna T right there, and then come down in the very front between the doors on the front side. I'm gonna put a spot right there. But it's gonna also, after the second T, it's gonna have a third T at the very edge to go right to the air compressor up there and all the way left to the door over here. So you're basically gonna have a giant T shape from here, all the way here, all the way here, and then from there, all the way there. So I gotta arrange the components to catch these two. Have an outlet here, connection, outlet or block or whatever. Then I have to have a outlet or a block or whatever over there with a compressor at, and then on this wall. So that's what I'm working on right now. Trying to orientate this. All right, now we got air compressor up there. Man, that air compressor look like a little baby up there. Like a little baby up there. I gotta get me a bigger compressor, man. That little 8 gallon is pretty much done, man. That's like one tire. So now I'm gonna start the process of running the tubes. I'm gonna try to make my first connection, probably start from over there, work my way back to these lines and kind of see how it goes from there.
The Watchman.
up here. I'm gonna get up there by this, by that retractable hose or whatever. I'm gonna cut the hose and the piece that's coming from that way, I'm pushing it on one side, and the piece that I cut, I'm gonna push on the other side. I'm gonna leave the open end to make a piece, to make a connection to that one. That way it'll tee off right there. I'm not gonna bring another piece down to the workbench, like I said, 'cause it's pointless, because I got these retractable hoses which can reach the whole shop. You know, so I'm only gonna do the connection up top and just keep it going to this way. And when I come down here though, I will come down here and put one on the bottom to go outside. So anyway, let me go ahead and push this up there. I'm gonna make the connection behind me. So this is the other side of the hole. We're gonna use this side. You're not gonna bring it over. You're gonna bring it that way. Let me just bring it down. These beams are bigger right here, that's what it is. line ran down there. So far, I got the T right here. I'm gonna end up needing to get, because I got these ends on there, I'm gonna end up getting like a female to female connection. Because I got, yeah. So I got two males. I got a male right here. And the piece that I have for this is gonna be a male too. So I'm gonna need a female to female coupling. Then I'm coming down here, I got a T back there in the, gonna be back there in the corner. And it's gonna split off and go this way to that down there. And then this one gonna split off and go that way to down there. Now originally, like I said, I was getting fancy because I had a lot of pieces. I was gonna bring one straight down there and drop into this wall, but that's pointless, a lot more work, and I'm already tired of being on this ladder already after getting this far, so I'm not bringing that one straight down. I'm gonna tee off and go that way with it. Now later on, if I want to modify the system to add some more pieces, I do that, but I want to get this thing functional. I want to be able to put this stuff in service. I can just use this, have all that hose rolled up out the way, and just work it, do my thug thizzle, you know? So let me run this mud to that direction now, untangle all of this wire down here. I got this plugged up, got this line piped in. I just pushed it through so it wouldn't look all ugly going through. It's basically just coming up under there, going to the back, and then going up the wall, going all the way down to the system. So now on this side, I just pipe that on literally and just plug this. See that? You're actually just pushing the air and you hear it. But you also see right now, it's a moisture trap, so it's gonna catch that moisture. See, I had moisture, that rusty water, whatever. I'm gonna have this right here placed now to be able to catch that moisture, and this just releases it. I'm actually gonna put a little valve, little screw them in. I think they screw in. It should just be to pull them out. I gotta see exactly how to freaking hook this up. I hear the air coming out. Anyway, this the water traps to catch the freaking moisture and stuff. The moisture and the oils that might come through the system. They go through here and go into the lines. That way I won't have to worry about having all that water, rusty water, just deteriorating the lines over time. It'll be caught right here. But now we got everything hooked up, hooked in. Only thing I gotta do now is tie my T's in to those lines, and then I got the fitting on I put the female coupling. Those spools up there. Then I gotta hook up everything down there by the door. Put the door in by the door. Down here, it's just hanging free. I ain't got no fitting or nothing on it. Put something on here and bring it through. You gonna bring it through the wall? I'm gonna put it inside. Put it right down the wall, right inside the door. I don't know yet, but I'll cap that one off, and that way the system will be pressurized and hold air once I get those connected. So, I mean, for now, I'm pretty much to the point where I just gotta hook up the power. Thinking about hardwiring power, but I don't really need to because I actually have power down here. And this cord is a tad bit short, but I got a little extension cord. I'm just gonna plug it up down there. Well, I got the power in. Either one of these small extension cords, that's one. I'm done for the day. So anyway, that's what we're gonna get with it today. I'm gonna order the female couplings. But for the most part, man, plug this in, cut it on. Now I got the air compressor up in the corner, off the ground. And then when I get ready to upgrade, I gotta put a big one up there. And y'all see how strong this fan is. Y'all saw me, I was on top of it with the air compressor. And it didn't even shake, move or nothing. Just bolted to the frame of the shop using the 2x6 studs. You know, and 5/8 plywood on the top, so it's sturdy as hell. I'm gonna end up putting something else up there, like throwing some of these liquids and paints and get them off the ground and put more floor space. Because in the shop, especially down here in Louisiana, you don't want a bunch of stuff on the floor. Because in this kind of moisture, we got all kind of pests, rodents and stuff, and the spiders like to come down here and build wells in the ground. You want your floor clear as hell. Then on top of that, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna coat the floor later too, so I want access to my whole floor without just pack rag stuff on the floor. The overall goal of the floor in the shop is the only thing that's supposed to be on the ground are the things that have wheels. That's pretty much it. Not counting the chairs. But that's the overall goal for the 90% mark, you know. Try to have everything on the ground that has wheels. Everything else needs to be up somewhere, stored to where it can be out the way. I have more floor space and clear it out, man. So I'm getting there slowly and surely. So make sure y'all sub to the channel, man. Stay tuned in. Locked, dialed in. You know what it is. Deuces.